back to Winning Law. I'm attorney David Nguyen with offices in Houston, Texas. And today we're going to address some of the issues surrounding the coronavirus or COVID-19. Our office has received a couple of calls from clients that are concerned about things that they have read online, things that have been told to them by friends and family members. And today we want to address the biggest scams related to this pandemic. The first scam involves the COVID-19 Rapid Response Test Kit. Now, first, let me just tell you, this kit is not available online or in stores, and it's not available for the general public overall. There is no FDA-approved COVID-19 Rapid Response Test Kit. So if you see it online or someone is trying to sell it to you, just know that what they're giving to you is not the real thing. So again, there is no such thing as a COVID-19 Rapid Response Test Kit as of today.
It's called the COVID-19 Rapid Response Test. With the prick of a finger, it's supposed to tell you in minutes if you are immune to the deadly virus. So far, they're not available to the public.
If you see them on the internet, do not buy them until we can give you a test that's reliable for all Americans.
So imagine our surprise when we found these test kits for sale on Craigslist.
The second biggest scam involves the use of face masks. All face masks, just like attorneys, are not created equal, and some are ineffective in the fight to protect people against the coronavirus or COVID-19. So what you want to do is test this yourself. It's very easy. If you have face masks already that you purchased online, let's say on Amazon, or you purchased at the store, put it on. Once you put it on, light a lighter or light a candle and put it before the face mask. If you blow on the candle or the lighter and the flame goes out, you have an ineffective face mask. And the reason behind this is because it's not going to protect anyone from your cough or your sneezes if it's just coming out of your body and coming through the mask. And if anyone coughs or they sneeze on you, most likely those germs and those viruses are going to go inside your body. So make sure that you do this test. I'm going to quickly play a video that's online. And it was published maybe a week ago, and it demonstrates ineffective face masks that you may be purchasing. So make sure if you're buying face masks and you're relying on them when you're outdoors or when you're out with the public, make sure that they're effective, or else you're really doing nothing to protect yourself against the virus. So after watching this video, you'll learn that maybe you have to put on 2 face masks at the same time if you're buying one of these ineffective face masks.
So how to test if the mask works or not. So you put mask on, then you light a lighter, then you blow it. So this one I got from Houston, the fire will not go off. Now watch the one I got from China.
The third biggest scam involves hand sanitizers. So hand sanitizers are effective against COVID-19 and the coronavirus. So you want to make sure that you're using hand sanitizer if you have it. However, there's a lot of DIY or do-it-yourself YouTube tutorials or online articles talking about how to make an effective hand sanitizer. And some of these hand sanitizers are not effective, or they can cause burns. So make sure that when you're looking at an online tutorial that is from a doctor or medical professional. I'm going to include a link in this video from the World Health Organization that talks about what you will need in order to make a proper and effective hand sanitizer. The next scam involves price gouging. Price gouging is when vendors and stores, they mark up prices very high because they know that there's a pandemic or there's an issue. So if you go to a store and let's say you want to buy hand sanitizer and it's normally $2 or $3, and now they're trying to sell you a little bottle for $50, that's price gouging. So what you can do is take a picture of it and then report it to your attorney general. The attorney general works for free, and it's free to make a report against these retailers that are trying to mark up prices during this pandemic. It's wrong, it's not ethical, and it's illegal. The next biggest scam involves treatments for the COVID-19 or the coronavirus. And this includes treatments for if someone that already has the coronavirus, or someone that wants to prevent themselves from getting the coronavirus. Currently, there is no cure. So I'm going to read you a statement from the Federal Trade Commission. There are currently no vaccines, pills, potions, lotions, lozenges, or other prescription or over-the-counter products available to treat or cure coronavirus disease, online or in stores. And this is directly from the Federal Trade Commission. So do not trust anything that you are reading online that can prevent or treat symptoms or the coronavirus, because it's not true. I know that our president is currently touting that there are certain things that can treat the coronavirus, but he's not a doctor, and it's not true. The final scam involves online scams, and these online scams can be anything from emails from the World Health Organization or from websites that are telling you that if you sign up, they're going to give you alerts on the latest information regarding the COVID-19 pandemic. Do not trust them, and be very careful of who you follow and who you provide information to. There are a lot of reports from websites or from people that are sending you fake emails trying to get your personal information and using it to maybe open credit cards or do bad things to your credit. So make sure that if you receive an email from the World Health Organization, check it and verify it. Most likely it's going to be a scam. Also, if you're registering for these coronavirus alerts from third-party apps and organizations, make sure that you verify that they are a legitimate organization, or else you're going to be giving your personal information to third parties that may do, unconscionable things with your information. Thank you for watching Winning Law. Again, I'm attorney David Nguyen, and on behalf of our firm, we want to extend our wishes to everyone that's watching, and we hope that you and your family are safe and protected during this pandemic.
At David Nguyen's Law Office, we are here to help you. We bring families together through immigration. And on the other hand, we help you find solutions. All your legal needs in the hands of people who care, who are there for you. We'll take care of your loved ones